Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing something different from others and as well as learning English. So this English journey, today I'm talking to how to talk to other person, how to communicate the other person, how to talk in front of other peoples, how to ask question to others. So now I'm talking to about WH words. What is the role of WH word in English journey in English? So WH word is big role play because without WH words English is not complete. So today I'm talk to WH word. So there are different there are lots of WH words like what, why, when, where, in which, whom, with whom, by whom, against whom, as long as, sorry, as long as, how much, how many, at what time, at what time, which types of. There are lots of WH words. If you use this, if you use WH words, so you make your English better. You make your English is fluently. So first I'm talk to what. So there are lots of sentences make of WH words. First, what's your name? What's your name? What father you do? What mother you do? What are you doing now? Why are you making? And second, why are you making this video? Why are you going? Why are you coming here? Like, and third, whom, हुमन किससे, आप किस, यू आप किससे बात कर रहे हो? विथ whom आर यू टॉकिंग? विथ आर यू गोइंग देयर? बाय whom कमिंग एयर? for whom are you making tea? For whom are you making food? For whom are you watching this video? For whom are you watching this movie? With whom are you talking? Beside whom with are you sitting? There are lots of sentences are you made of whom. Fourth, how are you ask question? How can you speak English? How can you improve your English? How to talk the peoples? There are lots of sentences are you make in how. And fifth, when do you go to college? When do you come to college? When do you meet your friend? When do you learn English? When do you talk to the peoples? When do you talk to your parents? There are lots of sentences you make in when. And six, how many? How many friends you have? How many friends? How many friends do you have? How many pens do you have? How many books do you have? And how many? How much? How much? How much money? How much money do you have? How much butter do you have? There are lots of sentences are you make. Fifth, at what time? At what time do you come here? At what time do you go there? At what time do you study? At what time are you write these notes? At what time do you go to college? At what time do you do? At what time do you go to coaching? At what time do you to come coaching? At what time do you go to hospital? There are lots of sentences are you make from at what time. And which, in which class do you study? By which are you going there? By which are you coming here? Which types of books do you like? Which types of cloth do you like wear? Which types of friend do you like? Which types people do you like to talking? There are lots of sentences you can make. If you make this type of sentences, so you 100% improve your English. because if you talk to anyone, so this type of sentences, this type of WH word help for improving your English journey. So please talk to anyone, or please talk to anyone and use those sentences in your English journey, and make your English better than others. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, if you have any idea, if you have any if you have any thoughts, if you have any suggestion, so please note down in the comment section. I will give you answer. So again, thank you for watching this video, because your love, you give thank you for giving your precious time to watching this video. Thank you. I will meet you again next video.